once somebody's enrolled with iZenBridge, okay, how the whole process will go? I mean, what is the next step once a person is done with the enrollment?
So this is a specific question which is primarily meant for our audience space, and that is where we are looking at. You might be doing preparation here and there, but if you work with us, how things work out, that's the thing we are exploring here. Now, the essence of working with our program, how you get started. So we have, in a way, 2 or 3 components of our program. One component is collection of pre-recorded videos. Another component is a live session, and the third component is a practice test. Yeah? So you mock exams, which helps you in getting ready for your PMP preparation. So these are the 3 kind of a components. Now, when you enroll, if you enroll little bit ahead than the scheduled virtual class, you can start working with your self-study videos. So you have a collection of videos which strengthen your project management and your agile knowledge. So whatever the PMBOK, the complete PMP exam is around agile and project management knowledge, and you can clarify those fundamental with the help of our pre-recorded content. Now, you can do it in advance, or you can do it along with our virtual class. Yeah, that's also a possibility. Now, the virtual classes, usually we spread across 5 to 6 weeks. We don't finish it in a 4 days or 2 weekends or something. We spread it across. So there's a second way we work. So there are 2 patterns. One pattern is that's a 1 class every weekend. So there is a Saturday class which may get spread across. We take 5 classes, but we usually spread them on 6 weeks. The other pattern is that we take 2 3.5-hour class in a week. So that happens depending upon your time zone. If you are in US, it will be evening for you. If you are in India, it will be a morning for you. So that's another type of batch we run. So once you have some understanding of pre-recorded content, you understand what is agile, what is a predictive life cycle, what is project management, what is a stakeholder, what is a risk, all those aspects, then you come to our live classes. Now, in the live classes, we follow, since we are PMI's authorized education provider, we are expected to follow the PMI guideline for virtual classes. So all ATPs are expected to follow more or less one set of content. Definitely, as a trainer, we will have our own delivery style. We will have our own unique style to elaborate that content. But the content frame is coming from PMI, which covers the complete exam content outline. So since we are running their class, they give us a set of presentation, and they also give a student a complete a guide, which is, they call it PMP exam prep guide, student manual, and there the complete exam content outline related topics are elaborated in the PDF format, or in the class we discuss those topics with the help of our some amount of presentation, some amount of group discussion, some amount of group activities, some amount of Q&As. We facilitate the whole understanding of the exam content outline. Now, those exam content outline understandings, you can make best use of it if you have some fundamental project management understanding, which you can acquire with the help of pre-recorded video. So step 2 is attending the virtual class. The step 3, now how do you know that I'm ready for the exam? So we have a collection of tests. So there are some area specific tests, like we have set of tests which are focusing on agile only. We have a set of tests which are focusing on people domain only. So when you are going through your preparation, you may do a specific test, and then we have a full length mock test. So full length mock test has a questions which are as per the PMI guidance of distribution. We have designed those particular tests. And they help you in reflecting and identifying how well you are ready for the upcoming your scheduled PMP exam. So step 3, you take a mock test and you start evaluating how you are doing. Now, there is a possibility some of you may attend the class today and may start taking mock tests sometime later. And there you may start facing some difficulty. You may have issues. You may want to clarify a particular question again. So we have a discussion forum, which we call forum.izenbridge.com. And you can come and discuss your queries there. On top of it, we also give a live sessions periodically, alternate week, where you can discuss your specific issue if you have any. And that is something you can do for as long as you are preparing for PMP exam. If even with the live session, even with the discussion forum, if something is not clear, we may arrange a one-on-one call for you. But idea here is we want to help you in clarifying your concepts. So step 1, pre-recorded videos. Step 2, attend the live virtual class. Step 3, attend the mock test, clarify your doubts with the help of forum, with the help of our live clarification sessions. And then we also support you in doing some paperwork related to PMP exam, like filling up an application and understanding how this whole application process works. Our support team works with you, and that kind of the complete package which helps you in getting your PMP certification done. So this is how we take our PMP process.